Hi, this is Steve Strickland with Camtech Engineering, and today for Mastercam Monday, we're going to talk about OptiRough, which is a 3D roughing toolpath that utilizes Mastercam's dynamic motion technology, which is going to allow you to machine at a very large depth of cut while minimizing the wear and tear on your tools. OptiRough is based on the 2D high-speed mill motion, but allows you to cut in two directions with a single toolpath. So for example, it's going to use step downs and a negative Z, but also optionally you can enable positive step ups, which are going to go attack the material left behind in the step downs, which effectively is going to give you an ability to get to a closer net shape of the part during your roughing ops. So let's go ahead and get started. So what I want to compare and contrast here is two OptiRough operations, one with step-ups disabled and the second one built with the step-ups enabled. So the first one here, let's take a look at the stock model, and this is the one that does not have step-ups enabled, and if we zoom in and look from the side, we'll see the ridges, which are the artifact of just using the step-downs. And as we take a look at the second OptiRough, I want to show how this was set up from scratch. So going into parameters, we're going to make sure we had OptiRough set. In our model geometry, we selected the top area of this curved part and the outer ridge here. Inside of Toolpath control, for the boundary chains, we wanted to make sure we set a boundary on the outer edges of this stock to make sure with the roughing up that we got all the stock and there wasn't anything left hanging off here on the sides that would cause damage or potentially cause damage for us. So we set that as the boundary chain. For the tool, we're using a bull end mill, and a flat end mill would work just fine as well, but the bull end mill, if you have access to it, is going to give you an ability to get to a closer net shape of the part, just given the shape of the bull end mill. For the cut parameters, this is where we enabled step-ups at 5%. And now if we look at the resulting stock model from the side, we're going to see, with a roughing operation, just compare and contrast, you're getting to a much closer net shape and you're in a really good position for finishing toolpaths. So this is going to close out our Mastercam Monday on OptiRough. As always, if you have any questions about what I did here today, or have any specifics on your particular part, please don't hesitate in reaching out. I'd be happy to help. Thank you.